Yo, if you got a welder, like a Lotos welder, or the other welder that sells this pedal with it, you can run into an issue where the pedal just won't adjust for you on the readout. But it doesn't matter because it does work, but this part, the part that moves with your foot, it doesn't work suddenly. And now, real quick, the power comes into here in the red, and it comes out these two. So it doesn't, there's a jumper pad in there that goes from here to here. So it comes in, the power comes in on this side. It always registers on this switch because it's sliding across the contact. So the power's always coming through here, always coming through the switch, and then there's a resistor strip here with the 2 wires on it. So you can get a reading off of each wire because the power coming in here and going through it to that wire or through it to that wire. That's what's the issue. So we're going to take it apart and we're just going to check the connections.
Kind of a gray area in terms of whether I had them.
The Springsteen tickets seem too good to be true.
But all I'm saying
I'm just going to solder a wire on here from where it is, and I'm just going to run it to the other side of this
wake up
contact.
in 50 years and look back.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 It is a messed up world. It's our messed up world.
Oh, come on. Do you see this? Disgusting.
Look at the poor brushes, contacts in there, folding themselves away. This only works when it goes all the way up, pedals down. This one turns on now, so I guess it didn't work still, so I'm still screwed.